Hey guys, Julie, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to Choklamsar to celebrate His Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthday, as it is 6th July, which holds a very deep meaning for us.
Can I say it, Mama Lee?
What do you want to say, Jijile?
I want to say hi guys. Today it is the minutes of Sally's birthday. Who give me a chocolate?
Yeah, you remember it?
Hmm.
Yeah, we are going to Zhiwetsal, so let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Noxious traffic begin leta. Too much traffic. Driving like a sloth right now. So guys, I finally reached Choklamsar and there was so much traffic, and a few of my cousins are already here and few are yet to come, so I'm waiting for them. After that we are heading towards Zhiwetsal, so let's see, just wait, and after that we'll just go to Zhiwetsal.
So we are here to others to come.
Okay, you like your dress?
Yes. Twirly.
Wow, Jidele. Cute to the station canta. Ding 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 ding. I don't tell that. I don't tell that.
The secret. I have some secret video of your mama, okay?
Oh my god.
Coke.
Okay.
No, I never drink Coke. Did you ever see Mama drink Coke?
Show the secret now.
Ajale don't have it. He's just bluffing. He's just bluffing, Gigi. Mama thought then Coke thola thought ding subik. Ma thong thought then. Cho chong thua mano. Halale. It's not good. It's not healthy, hala. Super busy watching Ajangle's videos. So let's go, guys. Everyone is there at Zhiwetsal. So we have just reached, and the celebration of His Holiness birthday happens every year at Zhiwetsal, and it is so beautiful to see the whole community come together for this. Tene diring ngajar savela me tungskar turshin la tene Zhiwetsal la ngaje tungskar turshin sinin le tene savela mas kundun ken ngira e gumlo kuchula tashi dele ningne tashi dele ngira tungskar turshin la ningne tashi dele. Wish you a very happy birthday savela ma ken ngira skutse ring workshop savela ma ken chatsal paspashin nazikin chatsal. There are so many people, we can't even walk. So how are you feeling?
And now we are heading towards the area where the people are dancing and celebrating their joy. And you know what? You can actually feel the happiness in the air. It is not only a celebration but the shared moment of love, culture, and blessings.
Why please? What do you want?
Please right now. Anne, ngali batul.
Did you like that?
And now we are going back, and it was such a special day. And every year, this day reminds us to walk with kindness, courage, and patience, just like His Holiness teaches us. How's the ice cream? Ngala Shante.
Why you are taking a picture on me? Take it on you.
Why?
It looks like I'm shy.
You're shy. Okay, fine. So we will end the vlog.
Rimboche, scuba lame tamcho rimboche, dimba lame gidun rimboche, stemam kunjuk sumla chut babul chot.
Before we end this special day, I wanted to share something very close to my heart. These moments with His Holiness are some of the most precious memories of my life. Just being in His presence, you feel a sense of peace that words can't describe. On his birthday today, I offer my deepest prayer for his long and healthy life and continued guidance for all of us. Thank you for watching and for being part of this beautiful celebration. May we walk the path of compassion and wisdom, the path He lights for us every day. Julie, see you in the next vlog.